Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Linspace function in NumPy library. Hence, yesterday's class we have discussed like arrange function, I function, identity function, and np.array to create a NumPy array. Linspace is also one method to create NumPy array. So Linspace means lin represent the linear and space represent the space. So it will give value in linearly spaced as a output. So first of all, let's understand the linspace function. For that, we have to take help function to describe the linspace function. Let's start. First of all, we have to import the library first. Import numpy as np. Now run this cell. Okay. It will give the description of linspace function. Now let's understand the linspace function first. What are the parameters and what it will give output? Let's understand. There are parameters like start, stop, num, endpoint, return step, D type, and axis. So let's understand one by one. What is start? Start is like the starting value of the sequence, and the stop, the end value of the sequence. Num 50 means how many numbers of samples we want to generate. Default is 50, must be non-negative only. Default is 50 means if we are giving a range from 1 to 10, so it will divide the 1 to 10, or it will take the value 1 to 10 with 50 values. We will see in example. And endpoint means its a default value is true. Endpoint define that we have to include the stop point in our output or not. If we endpoint equal to false, then it won't include the stop point in output. And RET step is equal to return step. It's giving is a false as a default value, but whenever we are giving as a true value, it will show the how much it will take the step to create an array in certain range. So it will show you step size in the output if we are RET step equal to true. D type, at default D type, you can say default D type is not given. Default type of the output array is float, but if you want to value is in integer form, we can change it. Okay, let's and the what will it returns? It returns NumPy array and dimensional array. So let's understand one by one. Let's create one linspace from 1 to 50 without giving any value. So it will create a NumPy array with number of samples equal to 50, or number of values equal to 50, because default value num equal to 50. Now let's change and check. Same value we are taking, but this time we are following like only 10 number we want in our array size. Here you can see like it will take only 10 values inside a NumPy array because we have specified num equal to 10. Let's understand, like endpoint is a default value is true, so it is including 50. But if don't want to include in our array, so what will we do? We will simply write endpoint equal to false. Let's understand that. Same example we are taking so that it will be more understandable. Num equal to 10, but this time endpoint equal to, by pressing tab you directly get the endpoint equal to false, sorry, false. Now let's print C. Okay, here you can see that stop point 50 is not included in array. So this is the use of endpoint. Now one more example to understand the return step. What is return step? We are taking this time different size num equal to, we are taking 10 num size endpoint equal to true as a default value, and now this time return step we are, it's taking a boolean value true or false. Default value is false, we are giving as a true so that we can find out how much step it is taking to create an array. So let's print D now. Okay, here you can see, yeah, whenever at finish it is taking the step of 0.88888. And let's understand by taking a different value so that it will be more clear. Okay, this time it will taking a step of 5.33. After 2 point, it will taking a step of 5.33 and convert into a 10 samples. So this is the way of, or the use of Linspace function. Yeah, that's all for the today. Keep learning and stay safe. Thank you very much. We will discuss more such videos on function available in NumPy and many more videos related to Python in next session. Thank you very much.